Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Dark War survival game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just search for the BlueStacks. Once you search for it, you will see the first website of BlueStack on the top. So just open up this website. Now here you will see the option to download the BlueStack 10. So just click on this option and start downloading the installer of BlueStack on your PC. You can also download the BlueStack 5. Now, once it was downloaded, just open up the BlueStack installer and it will take some time. You'll see the option of install here. Just click on the install option and just install it on your PC. It will take some time, so just wait for it. Once it was completely downloaded and installed, now the shortcut of BlueStack will add to your desktop. So just open it. Now it will take some time, so just wait for it until this was completely open. And here you will see the system apps option. Just click on that. You will see the Play Store right here. Just click on the Play Store and start opening the Play Store. Just click on the search option. And here you will see the top search box. Just go ahead and type Dark War Survival. Once you type it, just hit enter and open up the first game. Then just click on the install. And that's how you can download and install Dark War Survival game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and bye bye.